Okay, so question 5 is like, it's kind of a little bit complicated, but it's not that crazy. So, Care Hair PLC are offering existing shareholders a 3-for-5 rights issue, which means that if they buy 5 rights, if they buy 5 shares, okay, if they buy 5 shares at market price, if they buy 5 shares at market price, they get 3 discounted. And that's sort of the benefit that shareholders would normally get from the company. So it's like a discount, like, okay, buy 5 now at market price, and we'll give you 3. We'll give you 3 at a discounted amount, 3 at a rights price. So 5 at market price and 3, and that's what the 3-for-5 rights issue is. And the market price of the shares is £3.75, and the rights price, the discounted price is £3, 300 pence, and £3.75 for the market price, the normal price. So you've got, so Care Hair PLC are giving a 3-for-5 rights. What do you call it? A rights issue, okay. And they've told you that the market price is £3.75 and the rights price, the discounted rights price, is £3. So 3-for-5, so you've got 5 at market price, and this is for current shareholders, this is for shareholders that are already in the company. So sort of like a benefit, like, guys, look, buy some more shares. 5 at market price, 3 at a rights price, a discounted price. And the 5 at market price is basically £3.75, and the 3 at the discounted amount is £3. So you want to work out how much these are. Okay, and then we're looking for, the question's asking us, calculate the theoretical X rights price. So the theoretical X rights price is just sort of saying, we'll calculate how much the price of the shares would have been before this deal happened. So the market price is this, we're going to give a discounted price for this, and sort of like figure out how much work out how much the price was before we gave this deal. How much, like the market price, how much the price was before this deal happened. So 5 at 3.75. 5 times by 3.75 equals 18.75. 18.75, and at £3 is obviously £9, and then the total amount is 18.75 plus £9 equals 27.75. 27.75, that's the total amount, and then 5 plus 5 shares, market price, 3 at the rights issue. How much is the total amount of shares? 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're doing £27.75 divided by 8 to work out the theoretical X rights price. So this equals 27.75 divided by 8 equals £3.47. Okay, £3.47, and this is your theoretical X rights price. That's basically the price it would have been before they did this deal. It would have been £3.47 per share, and now the market price is £3.75. But it also tells you, well, consider the effects on the wealth of the shareholders. So the wealth of the shareholders, would they make any profit? Would they have made any profit from doing this? From basically the company's giving you £3 discount, £3 deal, and you're buying now at £3.75. Would the shareholders make any wealth? And the idea is that because this £3.47 is the theoretical X rights price, the argument is basically, the argument in this question, you sort of just have to remember, this is what it's arguing, this is what the shareholders would have bought their shares at. They would have bought it at £3.47. So £3.47 times by 8 equals, it's going to equal the same amount. £3.47 times by 8 equals 27.76. So it's pretty much the same thing, 75.76. It's just small, like, decimal point. And the argument is, well, would the shareholder have made any profit? And basically the answer is no. The wealth of the shareholder would not be affected. The wealth of the shareholder is not affected. So no profit would have been made, basically. The wealth of the shareholder is not affected. No profit would have been made. It's sort of a weird question, this one. And you just kind of have to sort of remember it. remember, like you've done it before, and sort of remember 3 for 5 rights issue. They've given you a 3 for 5 rights issue. There's 5 you can buy, so you're already a shareholder, you can buy 5 at the new market price, which is £3.75, and you can get 3 discounted for £9, for £3 each, which is £9. And then to work out the theoretical X price, you're doing the normal market price, you're adding the discounted amount, you're dividing it by the total number of shares that you've given out, 5 and 3, which is 8. And then the theoretical X right price is £3.47. So this is how much the X rights price is. So before X rights means before the rights was given, the X rights £3.47. What is the wealth on the shareholder? Well, a shareholder would have bought 8 at that price, because that's what the price was before the rights. He would have bought 8 shares at £3.47, so the wealth would not be affected. There's like a slight change, 0.01, but I don't think you talk about it. I don't think you mention it. You just say that the wealth of the shareholders is not affected. But it took me a bit of time to understand this one, so that's all I could get from the teacher. But I think that's it. You just sort of had to remember this version in the exam if they ask you about rights issue and theoretical X rights price.